Good morning this Thursday, the 6th of October. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Overnight, OPEC Plus decided at a meeting to cut oil production by 2 million barrels per day in a move to stabilise oil prices. This move will actually help Russia fund its war in Ukraine if a price cap is not imposed on Russian oil, and it will also push already high oil prices higher. Taking a look at global markets, the US markets experienced an early rally on Wednesday before closing the midweek session lower across the three key indices, with the Dow Jones losing 0.14%, the S&P 500 shedding 0.2%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq closing the day down 0.25%. The sell-off on Wednesday ended the US market's best two-day streak in more than 2 years. The short-lived rally was ended by ongoing investor concerns over the impact rising interest rates will have on both the economy and markets moving forward. Adding to investor fears were warnings made yesterday by the World Trade Center that high energy costs and rising interest rates would fuel a sharp slowdown in global trade next year. The global rally from earlier this week ended in Europe and the UK as well overnight, with Germany's DAX losing 1.21% and the French CAC closing just under 1% lower on Wednesday. In the UK, the FTSE 100 also faced a sell-off, closing the midweek session down nearly 0.5%. New Prime Minister Liz Truss closed her party's annual conference on Wednesday with a pledge of growth as a priority for the British economy moving forward. Looking at commodities, Brent crude, the global benchmark of oil, is up 1.9% this morning at $93.5 a barrel, following that decision by OPEC Plus to cut daily oil production. Gold is trading at 0.52% lower at $1,717 an ounce, and iron ore is trading flat at $98 a tonne. Ahead of the local trading day, ASX futures are expecting the local market to follow the overnight global sell-off, anticipating an open down 0.4% on the ASX today. On the economic data front for today, Australia's trade balance data for August will be released at 10:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time, which will detail whether Australia's trade surplus continued declining in August. The market is expecting a rebound, though, in trade surplus to $10.1 billion. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration for the second last trading session of the week. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on brain chips, following the formation of a pattern over a 41-day period, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 91 cents per share to the range of $1.26 to $1.34 per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bullish signal on Bowen coking coal, following the formation of a pattern over a 21-day period, which is also roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 35 cents to the range of 46 to 48 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolf with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy investing.